Hi, welcome to Life Fact Hacks. In this video, I am going to show you how to do a power sharing between S21 Ultra and S24. Open the settings in both devices. Scroll it down, look for battery. Now in the battery menu, look for wireless power sharing. Select wireless power sharing on both devices. This is where you can share the power. This is the menu. Now you need to turn both of them on, S21 and S24, both of them on. To make it perfectly working this method, you need to remove the cover of the phone and put the phone back to back on top of each back to back. Then you can see the phone start charging as soon as you put the phone back to back. It never works if you put the phone front and back. Always back to back. Turn the phone upside down. Now I am placing the phone in the top. You can see it's a tick come up, blue tick. That means the phone is charging. This feature, Samsung feature, is only available for QI enabled phone. Wireless charging phone, that's only available. You can see it's clearly is charging now. It's very important feature when you are traveling. If you have another phone, you want to share the second phone to the main, you can share the power to the main phone. Situation like that, you can't find a charging point anywhere, you can charge it like that. This is the amazing feature I like to do when I am traveling alone. You can see the S21 is low on charge than S24. When I place it, it's charging. You can see it's charging 57%, and the battery indicator also showing is charging sign come up on the top right hand corner. Is charging sign come up. So this is the handy feature, just need to show you today. If you like this video, please give a thumb up and subscribe my channel. I'll see you in the next video. Thank you for watching.